are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing, phenomenal day so far. I am super hyped about this video because I am doing something for my husband that he doesn't know that I'm doing for him quite yet. I'm going to give him the ultimate man drawer, like the ultimate man self-care drawer. When you open it up, it's just a graveyard of products that he didn't love, that he no longer uses, that's likely expired, and he just hasn't decided to get rid of yet. But he gave me permission to get rid of it. Which then, if you're going to give me permission to clean out the drawer, then that means that I get to completely revamp it and organize it and restock it with all of these amazing things. I went to Target, I kind of blew $100 on this drawer. It didn't seem necessary, but maybe it was necessary. We'll see what all fits in. I'm really excited about it. Before we jump into it though, we do have a word from today's sponsor, Man Kitchen.
This is the Man Kitchen Pepper Cannon, the most wildly engineered pepper mill on the planet. Made from a solid piece of aerospace grade aluminum with a high carbon steel burr grinder, this thing can blast through peppercorns at 10 times the rate of your standard mill. But why? Because fresh ground pepper makes the difference, but 40 cranks just to season burgers properly is obnoxious. Beloved by top chefs such as Babish, this heavy and hefty priced pepper grinder outperforms all expectations. First impressions, you will be shocked by its price of $200. Holy hell. Then by its weight, it's a whopping 1.7 pounds. Then by its power and efficiency. This is clearly not your ordinary pepper grinder. Push the button to pop open and easily fill. Turn the knob at the bottom to adjust your grind level from extra fine to extra coarse with double the grind range of the standard mill, and give it a crank to understand the hype. But will it grind too much? Nope. It's perfect for daily use. Just spin it a little and not a whole lot. If you need to measure out some pepper, you can grind up to 1/3 of a cup directly into the bottom cap and measure what you need from the wide opening. This will be the last pepper mill you ever buy. The pepper cannon was not made for everyone, but for the people it was made for, it's something special. If you want your meat seasoned to perfection and you want it done quickly, then this was made for you. And we now have the salt cannon. Of course, I'll have a link in the description box and pinned comment down below. Thank you so much, Man Kitchen, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the man drawer.
Okay, before we really get into it, we need to empty out the entire drawer, and then I want to show you everything that I got. By the way, welcome to the Elevated Home. My name is Chrissy Harless. We like to organize our home on a budget and likely stoned, because honestly, we've never made organizing or cleaning any worse. If you're into this at all, please consider hitting subscribe before you leave. It truly does mean the world to me. Let's get back at it. This here is the drawer in question. I just want it to be like his self-care drawer, everything that he needs in one space. As of right now, he doesn't really use anything in this drawer. He uses just a tiny bit up here in the top drawer. So we're going to, yeah, we're gonna make this his.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is...
We kept very little out of the drawer, but these are things that he actually uses. And I did go acquire a couple more things because I want to put them in the drawer. So let's check out what I bought. Can you tell I'm super excited about this, and I cannot wait to show him. My love languages are acts of service and gift giving, and this kind of puts it both together for him. I don't know, I'm super excited about it. It's not his love language, so he probably won't be as excited about it. Actually, he will be, because he's sick of the drawer as well. Let's start off with what organizational units I bought. I got all of these from Target for $2. Like, each little bundle of them comes in a multi-pack and is $2. They're very flexible, which I think would be nice to getting them to fit snugly in the drawer, but they're not like very flexible. Like, the bottom is super rigid. They have ridiculous measurements on them though. So if you're trying to plan ahead, it's like this one's 10 and 11/32 inches long and 6 and 13/16 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. It would be impossible to figure out what ones you need for your drawer, which that is also something I don't know how to do with this, because we're kind of reinventing an entirely new space that I bought a bunch of stuff to fit in here. Plus I have a whole list of things that I want to kind of like pull together and see what I can get to fit in that drawer. And then also the drawer right above it is like our daily drawer, like our hairbrush, contact lenses, teeth, deodorant. Like, it's basically like a 5-minute out the door drawer. So the next size, this one came in like a little 3-pack. These also came in different colors. The white I thought was gonna look dirty too quick. The gray I felt like was a good complement to a bathroom drawer. And the green was just like not the green that I wanted. It reminded me of this paint color that we put in in our last house. It was supposed to be spa-like, but it pissed me off. So I didn't get the green. This comes in a 3-pack. These are 6 and 25/32 inches long, 5 inches wide and 2.5 inches high. Golden. Next, we got this 3-pack of pencil drawer shaped ones. They're 10 and 1/8, 3 and 9/32 inches wide and 2.5 inches high. They're just the most ridiculous measurements. So that comes in a 3-pack, and then these little ones come in a 4-pack, and they're just like little cups. They're perfect for everything, right? All the little loose shit that you have. 3 and 3/8 inches by 3 and 3/8 inches, because it's a square, and 2.5 inches high. So we're gonna figure out how to Jenga this into the drawer, not Jenga, Tetris. What I just love about that though is that I have an entire drawer, and I probably have like 2 or 3 drawers, honestly, worth of organization here for $8. I'm not sure if you can order them online though. They might be an in-store exclusive. That would be really annoying if you can't, but perhaps you have a Target near you. Okay, next I wanna show you everything that I got him, okay? So I got him his own razor, because he does keep stealing mine. It's not cool. I ended up getting the Target brand one, this Goodfellow brand. I was debating between Harry's or this one, but this one was $1 cheaper for the bundle, and then I think it was $2 cheaper for the razor refills, and they were both 5-blade replacement razors with 4 replacement razors inside. So it just made more financial sense. I think the Harry's one came in a couple different colors too. This one's kind of a cool color. I can't tell if I like it or hate it. So this is what this razor looks like. It's black and like that weird mossy green. I don't know if I like that green. But it did. It came with 2. Now he has 6. So that's nice. They're diamond coated blades made in Germany. Another blade that he needed were these little ones. I use these for dermaplaning. Guys use them for like the little stray hair beards, or like a hair comes out of their forehead and like weird hair sprout up in weird locations. Unibrows, these are amazing for it. I highly suggest picking up a little pack. I also got him a brand new hairbrush, because really, honestly, you should just replace your hairbrush every once in a while. I have been on this wet brush kick lately. I have tried every other brand, and I fucking hate every other brand. Like, what is up with Conair? Conair hairbrushes, do they even try? What is up with those ones that have like the weird grippy? I tried buying one of those before, and the gel like came out of it. They're not super, hairbrushes aren't really super expensive. Wet brush is really reasonably priced, and it's like $9 or $10. So I just got him a solid black one, because Target had a whole lot of like princesses and stuff, and I think that he would appreciate the solid black. All right, for his own personal care, he currently is using a deodorant that he found on Amazon that he absolutely hates. So I got him his favorite one again. So this Everyman Jack sandalwood, and it smells so good. And then they also had the sandalwood in this beard and face lotion. I heard beards really like lotion, so maybe he will like it. It also smells really good, so I'm kind of excited for that. And then I found this cologne, and I wasn't shopping for it. I didn't intend on buying this. I have not bought my husband a cologne in like a decade. He buys his own. He knows what he likes, so he was a little bit shocked when I picked this up. It's Goodfellow & Co. #1. It's blue sage and tonka. It says its top notes are bergamot, marine, pink pepper, and ginger blossom. All things that I probably wouldn't have wanted to smell. The mid notes are jasmine, muguet, sage, and mint. And then the base notes are amber, moss, musk, sandalwood, and tonka bean. Oh, it comes in such a nice package too. Like, look at this. That looks nice, right? That's nice. And it smells like a clean, sexy man. It's like Curve Hot Uncle. Holy shit, I'm gonna spray it on me. I need to smell like this. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so maybe this will make it in the drawer. It'll probably end up on top of his dresser. Other things I want to add to the drawer though. I want to give him some eye patches, because he doesn't have a whole lot of face skin that you can see, but you can see underneath his eyes right here, and he might enjoy a little treatment too. I don't know, I just want to make it the ultimate self-care drawer for him. I also want to stick in there some CBD, because it's always good to take a little CBD in the morning. This one is kind of geared more towards daytime and energizing. It is the Cherry Limeade Daytime CBD from Lakeland Hemp, and it also has CBG in it, so it's really good for that. And then this is his stuff that he is keeping in his drawer that I might move into his drawer, like his contact lens solution. Probably gonna end up using the smaller bottle. Is that for your eyes or for your contacts? Wait a minute. I don't know anything about contacts. This is the solution. Cleans, rinses, disinfects, and stores. Oh, okay. They're both, right? Pure Moist Multi-Purpose Disinfecting Solution. Okay, yeah, I believe that this is the same thing. This Happy Dance Coconut Melt CBD, like it's a coconut oil infused with CBD. Kristen Kristen Bell owns this. It can be used on your body or your hair. But then my husband and my kids get really, really dry, cracked hands. And they started using this, and this is the only thing that they use. Look at how little they've used even over the entire winter. A little bit goes a long way. It's magnificent at healing. This is his other face cream. This is from Santier, is a CBD brand, and we're kind of testing out their health and beauty line, so this isn't something that you can buy, but he loves it. His hair pomade Suavecito is on Subscribe and Save on Amazon every 8 weeks. This shit's amazing, and it's that clear. You don't love a gel and you need a little bit of a hold. This is it. It feels like water, and water, it rinses out with water, which is nice. He doesn't get like product buildup, you know? But then the last thing is just like all of his beauty tools, essentially. So these things need to go back in there. Let's Tetris. I tried to do a blowout today. How did it turn out? I'm not very good at it, but I'm trying to do like less heat on my hair. Oh my God, let me show you this thing that I got. I got that, it's from Kitsch, that KITSCH or something brand. It's that thing that you put on your head and then you twist it around and you get heatless curls. Holy shit. This works really well. I've done it on myself a handful of times. I've done it on my daughter a handful of times. She loves it. She sleeps in it and she's like really picky. So let's unbundle these. I started watching this YouTuber, Tam Core, I think is her name. Oh my God, I freaking love her. She is like a life coach, how to be your most confident, baddest bitch self. And I don't know, I'm really feeling it. I have big goals in mind and I'm done letting like anxiety and stuff rule my life, you know? It still is, because you can't just decide to not let anxiety rule your life and it be cured. But like, I'm really actively working towards fixing that. This is one of those things that helps me too. I love organizing. This is a good outlet for me. Thanks for being here for it. Okay, that's enough. Let's Tetris. Like, I know for sure I need a big bin. I also have museum gel, so we can use that to hold things into place. And this. Ooh, I kind of like that. That feels symmetrical. How about with these? Kind of pushing things together now. These. All right, what do we think so far? I didn't get to use any of those like medium-sized bins, which I think would be super hella helpful. So I might try to figure out how to get those in here. But as of right now, I kind of like this. All right, stocking time. Baby, it's another lie. Remember you want me. I started to get overwhelmed with the things that I wanted to put in here versus the things that need to go in here, so I decided to separate them into 2 separate piles. So now I can focus on what needs to go in here first, and if we end up getting any of the extras in there, then cool. So this is our getting ready drawer in the morning. Your 5-minute get ready. You just need your hairbrush, your teeth brushed, your meds if you need it, some deodorant, your contact lenses, get out the door. So I'm just gonna give him his new deodorant and his new hairbrush. He keeps his hair product in here as well. He's gonna be real excited for a new brush. I'm excited for him. A new brush is exciting. Start the music. This is gonna take a while. But it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify. You know what's wild? I don't think I need this big bin. Could I use 3 of these? It doesn't work. Thank you for being here, even for small spaces with me. Let's check it out. I'm real excited about it. I think he's gonna absolutely love it. First, a quick look at what the drawer looked like before and now. Over here, we just have a couple little beauty tools, you know, like nail clippers, tweezers. Back here is kind of a mishmash. It is mostly CBD because we have his balm, the tincture. This is a hair treatment that he's also testing out for the Santier brand, and his contact solution. In this corner, I have his razor refills and his little razors. In front of it, we have clippers and the charger. This is the eye mask and the face moisturizer, so like skincare section. And then these are scissors and razors. Like, this is like the trimming section. If I tried to make it a trimming section. We're getting over into the beard sections. And then in the last corner, we have the beard stuff. So Yeah, I love it. I think he's gonna love it. You know what's some absolute bullshit about this is now his drawer looks better than my drawers. But that's it. That's everything that I have for you all today. Thank you all so damn much for being here. Huge shout out to Man Kitchen for sponsoring today's video. You should check them out. I'll have a link down in the description box and in the pinned comment. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible and to all of you for being here. Please consider hitting subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye. What do I do with my body when I'm standing? I never know what to do with my hands.